No, it's not.
Dude, water polo is harder than any other sport in the world.
I mean, yeah, sure, it's hard, but like, it's not as like well known.
Yeah, swimming's way more popular.
Dude, do not spill that.
Bethany did it.
I did not.
I got a joke for you, Gage.
What is it, man?
What do you call a water polo Olympian who just broke up with his girlfriend?
I don't know what.
Homeless.
Dude, that was pretty dumb.
Then why'd you spit out your drink?
Bethany's buying the cheap vodka again.
You buy next time.
I have a joke.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, please don't.
How was the game of water polo invented?
Stop.
I don't know.
After a really heated game of ice hockey.
Oh my.
Yeah,
That's so stupid.
That was amazing.
You're stupid.
Ooh, dude, you almost made me. If I was holding my drink, it would be gone right now.
Come on,
Oh
guys.
well.
Come on, boys, let's hit it.
Wait, you're not actually driving, are you?
Of course I am. School's right there.
Well, yeah, but do you know what a DUI will do to your record?
I'm fine, man.
You only had
I
like
don't
one
know.
shot.
Maybe two.
You're okay with this?
Yeah.
Dude, my hands, they're not even shaking. I'm not even slurring my words.
Come on, it's like a mile away.
Dude, grab the flask. Let's go.
Trust me, I did. We'll be home. We'll be home about 10:30 tonight. And then... Yes, I already finished my homework. Don't worry about that. Okay, Mom, I have to let you go. Zoe's here. I'll tell her you said hi. Okay, love you. Bye. Zoe, you almost made me drop my phone.
Bro, you need to put a case on it. That's all bad.
I don't have a case.
I know, that's why I get one.
I don't want to buy one though.
Where's your parents?
They're at Costco.
Oh. You want to get Dutch?
Thanks for the ride.
Yeah, no problem. Do you want your glasses?
Oh yeah, thank you.
Did
So
you
where
get?
do
Oh wait, did you get the remind from Mac?
No, what did it say?
Something about practice being later. Not like it's always later, but
Shoot, I told my mom 10:30 though.
I think you'll be fine still. Did you still want to go somewhere to eat after?
Yeah, do you want to go get Denny's?
Not for dinner.
Why? Breakfast for dinner?
No. Do you know if your parents are making anything?
Yeah, but it's for them. They're making burritos for
Oh, for sure.
tonight.
Let's get something else besides Denny's. I don't want Denny's for dinner.
Boring.
How
How about?
I low-key been craving like In Your Chicks or like Chick-fil-A or something.
Ooh,
yeah.
that sounds great.
right.
We can do
Okay,
that.
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm done with
for
that.
sure.
Perfect.
So you guys,
Did you just like spill it on?
you guys ready for some college parties?
Dude, how is band? Like, we still have practice on senior dish day.
Well, band's not part of school. Like, it's not senior ditch day for
Actually,
band. Like, that doesn't make sense.
if it's a grade, actually it is.
Okay, but like... Okay, fair enough.
Yeah, exactly.
fair enough.
Oh my.
All right, Juan, where are you going to college, dude?
I don't actually know yet.
I still have a year to think about it. But I just want to stay near the beach.
Oh yeah, I forget you're a junior.
Are you still going to cosmetology school or whatever?
Yeah, I am. I actually am about to sign up for it in like a week.
Is this one?
Yeah, turn right here. Yeah, I signed up for it in about a week, and I do it for about, I think I'm going to go in for about 2 years.
Oh, wow.
And then I'm going to do it Monday through Friday so I can finish it early.
Uh-huh.
And then I'm going to open up a shop with me and my sister.
Oh, so cute.
I know.
It's either the West Hills and I transfer, or I've got I sent out my phone numbers to some coaches and I sent my times and all that. So
Oh, what schools?
Ventura.
Ooh.
All right.
Dude, I really want Dutch.
Just be late.
Is he late to practice? Mac
I'm
would
usually
kill
late.
us.
I'm late anyway, so...
Mac would kill us.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to Cal Poly and. You know what?
Drink.
Didn't drink, yeah, but.
Careful, there's another dip here.
Oh.
Dang.
Let's go.
Hey, yo, Gage. I want to slow down there.
Nah, man. We're perfectly fine.
Oh.
Oh, there's a truck.
Geez, why are you swerving?
I'm not swerving. I'm gonna have some fun. Then I'm gonna be a firefighter. So put out some fires. And you know what?
I want to have to do a lot of school. I want to become a lawyer.
Dude, I want to go play baseball.
Baseball?
Dude, I haven't played baseball in so long.
Please, what?
We should go play baseball one day.
No, you don't even play sports.
I used to play softball. And then I quit.
I used to play soccer and I used to play basketball. And we did football, but it was like flag football.
Do you ever wonder if we're gonna actually accomplish our goals instead of just like saying things and not doing them?
I think I got it. I'm a pretty prepared person. I think I can get everything that I want
I
to do
think we
done.
can all pull through.
We're not gonna be late to practice, are we?
No, we have like 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay, that works.
10 maybe.
Do you have any like plans
Oh,
besides
yeah.
working?
No.
Gotta make some money.
Make some money
but
and party
every night?
and night.
Going crazy.
Yeah.
I'm going up to Shaver Lake and I'm gonna be a lifeguard.
Oh
up there.
yeah.
9 weeks.
Lifeguard at the lake.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Dude, they're giving me food, a living space. I'm up there 9 weeks straight.
Dude, I got me and Nathan went, I got the Angry Mac bowl. It had like fries, chicken, and mac and cheese, and they had like this powder on top. Oh, it was so good.
Yummy.
My main goal, be rich.
Be rich. That's a great goal.
Seems pretty easy.
Yeah, I just don't want to be stuck at an office job.
Me either, dude.
I want to work outside. So.
Alright, Gage, you're swerving a little bit, dog. Stay in your lane.
Nah, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Zoe, is that car swerving?
Yes,
Oh, Gage, there's a car!
Oh, shit.
What's your emergency?
Hi, I need to report an accident.
Okay, where's the accident at?
In front of Lemoore High School on Lemoore Avenue.
On Lemoore Avenue? Okay, how many vehicles are involved?
Yes. 2 vehicles. There's a white car and a gray one. Oh my God, they're pretty bad.
Okay, is there anyone injured?
Yes, yeah, it's a bunch of kids. They look, oh my God, they all look injured.
Okay, how many?
There's maybe like 4.
Hold on, how many people are injured?
It looks like 4 of them. I can't quite tell.
Okay, is there anyone trapped inside the vehicle?
Yes, yeah, and they're not moving. Some of them aren't moving.
They're not moving? Is everyone breathing?
No. I don't know. Can I go over there, or is somebody coming?
Okay, you need to keep yourself safe as possible, okay? We're going to get a lot of people out to assist you, okay?
Okay, please, hurry.
Okay, all right, they're on their way.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye. Lemoore Police Department, Lemoore Fire, EMS. Report of the injury traffic accident in front of Lemoore High School on Lemoore Avenue. It's going to be 2 vehicles, multiple injuries, multiple patients not moving, and a pin in. It's going to be on Lemoore Avenue. Report 2 vehicles.
Juan, dude, Juan.
Gage!
Dude, are you okay? Juan, are you okay, man? Dude, you're gonna be all right. Dude, we got in an accident. Bethany, are you okay? Bethany.
Gage!
No, she's not okay. We need help. Are you guys okay? What happened?
Can you open my door?
What's that? Guys.
My door's stuck. My door's stuck. Please open my door.
Is she okay? Is she awake? Oh, your arm. Your arm's broken. We need help.
Please help me out.
Please, we need help. Please. We need help. They're hurt. My friends need help. They're stuck. They need help, please.
Police department. Are you okay?
I'm fine. They're stuck in the car.
Stand over there for me. Hello, police department. Are you there? Stay with me. Hey, we're going to need an ambulance out here. We have 1 severe bleeding from the head. Gonzalez, check out that car. Hey, stay with me. Can you hear me? It's the police department. Police department. Are you okay? No? Okay, what happened? All right, you're going to be okay. Hang in there. Stay with us. Stay with us, okay? Hey, Gonzalez, she's gone. We got to move on. Check on that other car.
Are they all right?
We got another one with severe head trauma. We're gonna need another ambulance out here. Hold on, just stay put, ma'am, okay? Ambulance here, they're coming to help you right now. One right here as well. She got head trauma. She's not breathing. How many patients? Over here. All right, stay with us. She responsive? Yes.
Is he okay?
No? All right. Yes, sir.
My name is Gage.
Were you driving?
Yeah, I was driving.
What car were you driving?
The white one right there.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. I got two in this vehicle. What happened?
Hi, we just was driving and I think I swerved a little bit and I don't know, I just hit him.
She seemed to be conscious.
Went black.
I can smell alcohol on you. Have you had anything to drink today?
I only had a few. I didn't have that much to drink.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right, so you're kind of slurring your speech. I can smell the alcohol coming from you. So I'm going to put you through some tests, okay? All right, so the first test, what I'm going to have you do, you're going to look at the tip of my pen with just your eyes and not your head. You understand that? Okay, so just follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and not your head. All right, let's go ahead and roll around your count.
1, 2,
Perfect.
3,
No obvious injuries, airways intact.
4, 8.
Just keep it straight. I know you're in a lot of pain. We're just holding your body to make sure any internal bleeding, any bruises, any broken bones, that you're not moving. Are you doing all right? You understand everything I'm telling you in the situation?
1, 2, 3,
Once you're done with that, we'll get a load up on the gurney.
4, 5, 6, 7. We were coming back to high school. I was just trying to drop one off of his car. I don't know what happened. We were just driving, and then all of a sudden, I hit them. I'm so sorry.
All right, just hang out with Officer Gonzalez. I'll be right back. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go down the other side. Cut the back one.
Take a big deep breath.
Carp over here.
Go ahead and blow. Keep going.
Any injuries on her?
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop.
Copy. Are they both entrapped or is it just her? Copy that.
All right, Gage. Okay. You are over the legal limit. So I do believe, based on everything, you are driving.
5 minute ETA on Skylight.
So I'm going to have you face that way. Put your hands behind your back. You are being placed under arrest. Have a seat, please. Perfect.
When they get that last cut, we'll flip it off. We'll take it to the east.
All right, like I said, Gage, you're being placed under arrest for driving under the influence of alcohol. All right, we'll get you transported to the jail in a second.
Can you go ahead and spike me the bag and set me up an ID?
All right, Officer Gonzalez, can you stand by with Gage while I go check on the other victims? All right.
Copy. Perfect.
Get that door out, guys.
Pass out.
Get up here and help.
Ambulance, she's currently at GCS at 3 unresponsive. Ejected from a vehicle during a motor vehicle collision. No obvious signs of injuries. However, she is hypotensive in the 60s, tachycardic in the 120s.
Actually, you know what? Flip them.
May start hurt anywhere else?
No, my knee hurts.
Okay, did you pass out when you crashed?
I think so. I don't know.
Hey, Gonzalez, the corners here.
Can you wiggle your toes? No? Don't make me feel any pain, okay? Any pain where I'm touching you?
Martinez, left. When we get close, crouch. The plates come low.
Okay, so this is a 17-year-old female. She was involved in a motor vehicle collision. We've been bagging her. She's a little bit hypotensive. She has 1 liter of fluid going.
Get an idea established. We're going to go ahead and start CPR, Becca. We'll get around with the epi ready. I'm charging. Clear. Everybody clear. Shock deliver. Go ahead and begin CPR. And we'll give her 1 milligram of epi, please. All right, we're going to do a pulse check. Let's give her another round of epi. 1 milligram. Charge. Clear. Everybody clear. Shock delivered. No pulse. All right. We're going to go ahead. We're going to call it. So time of death, 3:04.
You can turn around.
Thank you.
Put your hands on.
What's your name, sir?
Gage Padler.
I'm Officer Jones. What's here for today?
Driving under the influence, possibly vehicular manslaughter.
Alright. Do you have anything on you? Do you have anything in your pockets or anything in your socks or shoes?
No.
Okay, go ahead and face the wall. Put your hands on your head. Interlock your fingers. I'm gonna pat you down, make sure you didn't bring anything in the institution. You said Gage?
Yes, Gage, G-A-G-E.
And what?
Pasley, P-A-S-L-E-Y.
And what's your birthday?
June 28th, 2004.
Would you mind stepping out for just a moment? Sure. Just so we can have a moment and then I'll talk with you guys next. So, I've been with Bethany this whole entire time that she's come in. I don't know if you're aware, she was in a pretty horrible car accident. When she came into us, she didn't have a heartbeat. We went ahead and started CPR on her. We gave her shocks multiple times, some medicines to try to get her heart started again. But her injuries were just too severe. We couldn't help her and she didn't survive. I'm so sorry. Do you guys have any questions for me? Anything maybe I can help you understand? What happened? She was in a car accident. I don't really know the whole circumstance. I don't know if she had a seatbelt on or not. There was so much damage, though. She was severely injured, and there was just not anything we could do for her. Can we see her? You may see her, yes.
My baby girl.
Juan, I'm Janice, okay, and I'll be taking care of you, okay? I'm gonna ask you a few questions. Are you able to feel here?
Yes.
Yeah, do you have any pain on your neck at all? Any
No.
pain on the back side of your neck? None? Okay. I'm gonna ask you to squeeze my hands for me. Squeeze my hands. All right, can you raise your arms all the way up and bring them back down for me? Are you having any pain here?
No.
No pain at all? Do you feel me touching you? All right, do you feel me touching your legs here? What about here?
No.
No. Do you feel this on the bottom of your feet?
No.
Nothing here?
No.
Can you move your legs at all for me?
No.
I think he's got a significant injury here that's going to cause him to have some problems. Unfortunately, you have an injury. It's probably a really bad one that you're not able to move your legs, okay? But you can move your arms, but not your legs. We're going to have to do a whole lot of tests for you, okay? We're going to send you into a CAT scanner. It's going to scan everything from your head all the way down to your toes, okay? I just need you to hold really still when you have that test done, okay?
Hi, I'm so sorry about earlier. I needed to speak with the other family. You guys are Juan's parents, correct? Yes. My name is Suzanne. So Juan was involved in a car accident as well. I don't know the extent of who was driving or what happened. He came in, they did an examination on him, and it's looking like he's not able to feel from the waist down. No feeling, no movement, no pain, nothing. We're waiting for CAT scan results to come back to see the extent of the injury. Right now they're worried that he may not walk again. So that's kind of what we're dealing with. He's alive. He's alive. If you guys want, we can take you in. You want to go see him? Okay, he's in pretty good spirits. Okay, well, I have your parents here. Just try to take some breaths. They're a little worried about you. You good? But you're not dead. So it's good.
I can't move him.
I'm so sorry.
I'm just going to take a look at your arm, okay? What hurts right now?
My whole arm and my knee.
Your arm and your knee?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look at your arm. I just want to take your bandage off, okay?
Okay. Ow, ow.
Sorry.
Okay, okay.
All right, relax for me. Just want to take a look underneath the arm. We'll get you all wrapped back up.
Ow, ow, ow.
There we go.
Ow.
Can you apply some, can you hold underneath her arm for me, please? I just want some support there on your arm. There you go.
Wait, be
Just
careful,
want to take a
please.
quick peek, okay?
Okay.
Oh, that's cool. Oh boy, okay. She's got a little open injury there, so we'll need to clean this out for you, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this back up.
I think my bone is out.
We're gonna take a look at that. The doctor's gonna come in. We're gonna do some x-rays for you, okay? We'll get you all fixed up. Relax for me, okay?
Gage, what happened?
I don't know what happened. I'm sorry. We were drinking at the park and
So wait, you guys were drinking?
just taking Juan back to get to his car, and then the car.
And you drove?
I swerved, I think, and we hit him.
Gage, we've talked about this.
I know, I'm sorry.
That's all I've ever asked of you is don't drink and drive.
I thought I was fine.
It doesn't matter what you think.
Gage.
You just killed one of your friends. Do you know what's going to happen now? You're not going to go to Cal Poly next month. You're going to go to jail.
Gage. This is bad. This is really bad.
I
know you're sorry and we love you, but you made a really, really bad decision. That's going to affect you now, the rest of your life. What about college? Just so you know, honey, we're here for you and we love you very much. Okay? We're going to get through this, no matter what.
Love you, bud.
Hello, I'm Chausha Pensero from the Lemoore Police Department. Are you the Gregories? Or excuse me, are you the
Bushes?
Bushes,
Yes.
yeah, Gregory
Yes.
and Cynthia?
Yes.
Well, thanks for coming. Go ahead and have a seat. I think it'd be better seated down. You have a daughter, Carly, attends Lemoore High School?
Yes.
She was driving with Zoe today at one point?
Yes.
There was an automobile accident outside the school. That school was released today, and I'm sorry to have to tell you that your daughter, Carly, was involved in it and she's dead. She was killed in the accident.
Where did it happen?
It happened right on the corner there of 18th and where the high school is.
And you're sure it's Carly?
Absolutely sure it's her. We checked, of course, her driver's license and her student ID, plus some of the other students who were around who tried to come to the aid of everybody. They also identified her. Some sad that it is, but the coroner has her prepared for you to see, but she's still a little bit in the state that she was in from the accident. They haven't had a chance to do anything cosmetic. So would you like to see her?
Yes, please.
Okay, it's going to be a little bit difficult for you, but I can't tell you to prepare yourself. There's nothing you can do, but we're very, very sorry to have to bring you this news. All right, follow me, please.
Superior Court of the State of California in and for the County of Kings is now in session. The Honorable Harry N. Papadakis, Judge presiding. Please be seated and come to order.
Good morning, Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. On the record now in the matter of the people of the State of California versus Gage Paisley. Your appearances, please.
Keith Fagundes for the people.
Phil Espenshade on behalf of Mr. Paisley.
Counsel, I understand we're at the stage of this proceeding for sentencing, the jury having convicted the defendant on all counts as pled in the information?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes.
The court having reviewed the record in this matter, any comments from the people?
The people would defer to defense counsel in making comments on behalf of the defendant before we actually make comment.
Anything from the defense further than what we have?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. I would just like to express to Your Honor, today you are sentencing a young man here. He's just a teenager with his whole life ahead of him. Gage knows full well that he made a series of horrible decisions on that day. And he knows that those decisions cost two teenagers their own lives. And he knows that he has essentially affected the life of two more of his friends, and that they'll never be the same, and their families will never be the same. He knows that the families of Carly and Bethany will never see them graduate, never see them attend college. He knows that. And he knows that he has to take responsibility for that. But as his attorney, I'm asking the court to see this man as what he is. He's a teenager. Teenagers make bad decisions. That's how they learn. Now, certainly Gage made the worst decision of his life, and he made a number of them. But Gage has no prior criminal record. He was a model student. There's still a chance for him to do some good out there in the world. He could even be an advocate against drunk driving. So as his attorney, I'm asking you for some leniency for Gage, based on his age, based on his prior lack of any criminal record or any negative history with law enforcement at all. and to give this young man a chance with life outside of prison. Thank you.
Submitted, Counsel.
Submitted, Your Honor.
Your Honor, if I may be heard, Your Honor, I'm appalled that defense counsel would argue on behalf of leniency at this point. Bethany and Carly have zero chance at leniency. In the prime of their lives, they were ready to live, ready to be responsible individuals and adults, and despite all of the media from Mothers Against Drunk Driving out there, despite all of the counseling given at Lemoore High School, despite the every 15 minutes programs that are given in that school, this defendant chose, with a clear mind, despite the fact he was intoxicated, he nevertheless made that conscious decision to start drinking. He's not even old enough to possess alcohol, much less drink it. He's not even old enough to serve in the military at this point. So he wants to take only that aspect of adult life and adult decisions that have fatal consequences on others, and he wants to live with it as though, give me some leniency. And that's appalling. Carly and Bethany have no chance to stand before you today. In fact, as we also know, Juan has no chance to stand before you today. He sits here in a wheelchair for the rest of his life. There's so many people that have lifelong consequences, or lack thereof, because of the defendant's careless and reckless and black heart decision to drink and drive. And it is a black heart decision. The jury found that this is a black heart conduct. He ignored all the dangers of drinking and driving. This is not a passive decision he made, and he needs to be held accountable. In this case, Your Honor, a jury, after hearing all the evidence, had to tell the defendant that he did wrong. So it's disingenuous for defense counsel to sit here today and to tell this court that the defendant knows these dangers, bad decisions. This far goes beyond a bad decision. They were fatal decisions. When we deal with drunk driving, it is not a question of if or when, because every 15 minutes somebody is killed by a drunk driver in this country. It is a question of who. And when you put yourself on the road with a 2,000-pound weapon and you weaponize that with impaired driving, you end up with fatal consequences. Defendant inflicted immense pain and grief upon not only Bethany and Carly and Juan, but also their families for the rest of their lives. And the defendant needs to take responsibility for that. He showed no respect, is taking no responsibility for his actions. The consequences need to be measured, and they need to be such that the defendant will not repeat this behavior. We are asking the court to follow the law and let the defendant pay his debt to society by imposing 3 years for drunk driving causing bodily injury, an additional 5 years for causing paralysis to Juan, an additional 3 years for causing the broken arm to Zoe, and then after he serves that time, then we are asking the court to impose 2 life terms. Since he took a life, he should serve a life. And we are asking for 11 years plus 30 to life for this defendant, Your Honor. We don't think that's too harsh, and we think it is showing leniency because he can earn his way out of prison at some point. And with that, we'll submit to the court.
It's the court's understanding that there will be no victim impact statement in the proceeding today other than what was filed with the court prior to sentencing.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And the court does make note that 2 of the victims are present in court today. Yeah, it should be on the record. Any legal cause, counsel?
No legal cause.
Mr. Paisley, you've been convicted by a jury of the offenses that have been addressed now by the attorneys. This is the time for sentencing in this matter. This is the time when the court determines what the appropriate consequences are for you for your actions. I have over 35 years as a judge in this state. And when I see a case like this with so many lives ruined by someone who makes choices like you made, there is a message to be sent. When these courts sentence somebody like you, there are basically 2 reasons for the sentencing. 1, you pay for your transgressions, and number 2, we send notice to the rest of the world not to engage in such conduct. Sitting behind you is a young man who's paralyzed for life. Family members of those whose life you've taken. And then what effect upon your family's life? Those who brought you into this world, those who provided the education, the vehicles, all the nice things that you have. All these people suffer because of your actions. Your lawyer refers to you in terms of being a child, a youngster. The law says you've reached the age of majority, and that makes you an adult. Therefore, you would stand the consequences as an adult. You made the choices, you're of that age. You must be aware that restitution is an issue. And when you are released from custody, you will be required to make restitution to the victims of your offenses. At this time, the actual amount of restitution cannot be determined. You will have a right to a hearing on the issue of the restitution, but I imagine that it will be significant. And you can think about that while you're sitting in your prison cell, because you're going to have to do something for this young man and to the families who lost their loved ones. Now, as to count one, a violation of 187A of the California Penal Code, a felony, commonly referred to as murder, and this being the second degree, you will be sentenced to a term of 15 years to life in the state prison, state of California. Count two, for a violation of section 187 of the California Penal Code, a felony commonly referred to as murder in the second degree, you will be sentenced to serve the term of 15 years to life, state prison, state of California. Count three, a violation of section 23153A of the California Vehicle Code, a felony, operating a motor vehicle under the influence of an alcoholic beverage and causing the injuries as set forth in the special allegations. Under all the conditions, the court will impose the aggravated term because of the multiple victims involved in this case, the choices that you've made, and that term is 3 years. As to the special allegations, with the horrendous impacts upon your victims and society, the court would have to agree with the prosecution in this case and impose on the aggravated term for paralysis an additional 5 years, and for the grievous bodily injury to the additional victim that we will not name at this point, an additional 3 years, for a total of 11 years. All terms will run consecutive, meaning that you will serve your 11 years. The court will not comment on credits at this time because that's something you'll have to earn, and that will be up to the Department of Corrections. At the conclusion of that, the court would agree with the prosecution that you would serve the 2 life terms, again, consecutive. What this means, young man, is that you will be well over 50 years of age when you're finally released from custody. And that's at the earliest. If you don't conduct yourself properly, you could end up for the rest of your life in prison. I suggest to you that you again think about what you've done, where you've placed yourself, because only you did it, and you did it to yourself, and the impact on these other people that you have injured. You would have the possibility, after serving the minimum terms, 41 years, and you could be released on parole. I repeat, you do have restitution to make. There is also the appropriate fines to be imposed, which will have to be paid. In this case, the court's going to set the fine at $10,000. Anything further from the people?
The people ask for remand to the Kings County Jail for delivery to the California Department of Corrections for the 41 years that the defendant must serve.
From the defense?
Nothing further.
The gravity of this offense, the amount of the sentence to be served, it is dependent on this court that you will at this time be remanded to the custody of the Sheriff of Kings County to be delivered to the Director of the Department of Corrections to serve the term that the court has imposed upon you this date. That should conclude this matter. Deputy? Council, there being nothing further, this court is adjourned.
Thank you.
Thank you.